respective judges, and I would like to thank you for allowing me to pitching for our exhibition on a cathode hydro based seawater desalination technology. So our innovation is addressing the scarcity of the water and the wastewater coming from industry. So our innovation can handle and the both process. If we wanted to desalinate the water, or if we want to remove the heavy metal ions. As we know that we have a number of technologies already available, they're addressing this issue, just like a coagulation, fluctuation, and MSF and RO. But they are, they are time consuming and they are energy intensive, and also they require a lot of maintenance. Now we have innovate our technology. We already filed the patent. Is on gas hydrate technology. So what is gas hydrate? A gas hydrate is a crystalline solid structure formed at a low temperature, high pressure, with the combination of simply a water and gas. And now how our sieve waste hydrate technology work? Simply in one chamber, when we add a saline water or sea water, so at a low temperature, high pressure, when we put or insert a carbon dioxide gas, so there is a CO2 hydrate formation. CO2 hydrate formation means there is a pure water formation, and the salt do not participate in hydrate. So the salt are collected at the bottom of the reactor here. And further, our technology do not use any chemicals, and all this hydrate formation or dissociation occur at a low temperature or occur in a one single chamber. And also we have a high salt rejection method, and we also found that our result is a three times better than the existing literature. So we have our water recovery is 53%. Currently it is 18%. And now looking at the potential collaborator, we have a local and we have international. So last year in December we able to submit the grant with the King Abdul Aziz University, and we able to secure the funding last week announcement from King Abdul Aziz University. The amount is 900,000 K. Originally it was 1.5 5 million, but reduced to the 900K. And now, and also we have a interested partner from India, IIPE, and also JNTUK. So these two universities have shown, actually they are working a petroleum department. They shown interested in our technology. And we can apply our this innovation where we need the wastewater treatment or drinkable water, and also we can use for CO2 utilization, because our technology use only CO2, and which is greenhouse gases. And also we if we're looking at the potential market locally or internationally, so the industry, just like a Suez, Sambonia on event, these industries dealing with the wastewater, so we can sell our technology to them. And also country just like Africa or Middle East, really they are facing with the water scarcity, and we can offer them alternative to RO or MSF technology for desalination. And Middle East, there is a high salt capacity, 100,000 ppm. So you can see that our technology can handle, or it can also use with hybrid with the membrane also. So at the last, I would like to thank you the judges and for the time, and also the teammate Prof. Ajmi Sharif and Jay and Vinay. And for this one, thank you so much having me there. Thank you so much.